Hello, welcome to my channel. Kindly click on the like button, subscribe. If you are watching from Facebook or other social platforms, please enable to follow, like and share. Tonight I'll be showing you how to claim your daily cipher Morse code. Let's do this together. As usual, we click on daily cipher. The letter before us tonight is stable, stable. Stable, stable. Don't forget, dot is the same thing as short. Dash is the same thing as long. So let's do this together. For letter S, dot, dot, dot. That is dot 3 times is for letter S. For letter T, dash, a single dash. For letter A, dot, dash. For letter B, dash, dot, dot, dot. That is for letter B, dash, dot, dot. One dash and 3 dots. That's for letter B. For letter L, dot, dash, dot, dot. That is 1 dot, 1 dash, followed by 2 dots. That's for letter L. For letter E, single dot. For letter E is single dot. Then we can take our price. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe. If you are watching from Facebook or other social platforms, please enable to follow, like and share. See you on the next video. Bye.